It's not just important that you wash your hands, you have to wash them properly. Start by wetting your hands thoroughly. Then, using liquid soap or a clean bar of soap, rub them vigorously together. It's soap combined with scrubbing that gets rid of germs. Be sure you get between your fingers and under your fingernails. Rinse well, washing off all residue. Dry your hands on a clean towel. You may use it to turn the tap off. It's also important to teach children how to wash their hands. Explain that germs may be on his hands even if they look clean, and that these germs can make him sick. Lead by example. Always use the correct technique and be consistent about washing hands after every trip to the bathroom.